This is my breakfast. Hi! Ew, why did my voice sound like that? I just washed my hair like 20 minutes ago. It's already kind of starting to dry. So I'm gonna spray my hair with water because it like that's where it dries super frizzy. So now I'm using some It's a 10. I'm also gonna add, I don't really know what this is. It's just like a smoothing, or yeah, I guess a smoothing serum. I don't really know. I mostly put it in the fronts because that's where my hair gets really just wacky. I'm gonna add a little bit of curl defining cream. Ooh, that might have been too much. I'm just gonna add some of that to my hair. Actually, a lot of it because I got way too much. So then you kind of take section by section, and then you can do whatever depending on like how you like your curls. I like wrapping it up like that, then letting it go. And that did not work. There we go, that's good. That looks okay. So this is kind of what we're left off with right now. I also have some, it's just like a leave-in, I don't know, conditioner-ish stuff. Honestly, I don't know what all these hair products like really do. Wow, I'm such a pro. I'm not a pro. I'm not a pro. I'm just showing you how I do my hair. I don't know how the back looks. Does it look good? So now I gotta let this dry. I'm back. I think it's like an hour. It's been an hour. But my hair is completely dry and it's super curly. Honestly, I didn't think it would get this curly, but no, it did. So yeah, this is how I do my hair if I want it to be curly. Honestly, I don't do this often enough. I should do this more often because it's so cute and I always forget how cute it ends up being. This is a really good concert hairdo because you can just be like, I hope you like this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Izzy, sponsor me. Okay, bye.